Hi friends, this video shows how to do screen mirroring. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First, in this TV, let me go to settings. Tap on the settings icon on this top right corner. Set this icon. Then go to network and internet. Then enable Wi-Fi. Here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then you can use mobile hotspot. First we have to connect this TV to Wi-Fi router or mobile hotspot. That is the step 1. Let me go to step 2. Step 2. In mobile phone, open settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections. Tap here. Here you can see this mobile phone also connected to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. So first we have to connect both TV and mobile phone to same Wi-Fi router or mobile hotspot. After this, go open this Google Play Store. Tap on this Play Store icon. Then install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open it. Tap on this Google Home app icon. Then we need to log in with Google account. I already logged in. Then tap on this devices tab. So here you can see the Google TV. That is the name of the TV which I am using. That means this mobile phone has detected this Google TV in the same Wi-Fi network. Tap on this Google, TV name. Tap here. Then tap on cast my screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. Done. See, screen mirror is working. See, so this way we can do screen mirroring. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen in both TV and mobile phone. Next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again open this Google Home app. Then tap on stop mirroring. Done. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.